Sure, right. So she's this, we started off trying to think about what's the issue, what are the problems, and we started off by watching a video that she made, and she's this really, really gritty entrepreneur solving problems like at a very ground level. We really decided that she's not a biogas or an energy company. We think she's more of a waste management and circular economy company, right? She's not an energy company. She's trying to figure out how to make things engage with her community. So that was kind of the way we started framing the way that we thought about her problems. Circular economy concept. And we don't have actual insight into what her day-to-day struggles are, so what we really tried to focus on was behavior and leveraging what she already had to drive something new. So in our case, we came up, so she currently creates biogas out of waste from farms and also hotels. So we wanted to really leverage what she's doing there to try and create a new revenue stream for what she's doing that would continue to propagate the circular economy. So we built a model over here which someone else is going to talk to. And in this case, the end product that we thought we could develop would be a personalized tote bag, which she could use a textile waste stream, already leveraging her hotel, to create a new product and also employ more people and create a compelling story around Jamaica and local work. So I'm going to talk about this who section here to start, and I'm going to pass it off. But basically, this is what she has going on right now. And if it's not something she has going on right now, it's something that she might be able to potentially work with. So she's currently talking to hotels and people making pig waste. And then we thought, what's outside the circle and what's inside the circle? So we put different things that are inside the Jamaican circle economy, right? So there's probably some factories, there's definitely mines, there's restaurants, there's houses. We came up with cruise ships. This is something that's actually outside the circle and that comes into Jamaica. Airlines also come into Jamaica, and we're trying to figure out what we could do with those inputs. So she's already definitely partnered with hotels, and she's probably talking to a few other businesses, but we really wanted to focus on where she could start looking for new waste streams to do something with.
So our whole focus is taking an existing model that she currently has and scaling it to the extent possible. So if we're going to scale, then there are a whole range of waste streams that we could look at as potential revenue sources for us. So in this case, if we're dealing with cruise lines, airlines, houses, businesses, hotels, factories, and mines, they all have a range of waste streams that we could look at, including e-waste, textiles, agricultural waste, metal scrap, copper wire, vegetation, plastic, aluminum, glass, and fishnets. And out of those, we're going to hopefully generate a whole stream of outputs that we can monetize.
So some potential outputs that we thought of were tote bags, which were like something you can make with a waste stream. Bricks made out of manure or plastics or other materials for building. Repurposed cell phones. The options are wide open. Animal feed out of some of that food waste that she's currently getting from the hotels. Furniture, crafts made out of some of these inputs that can be monetized. So the point is identify something else that she can also do while she's at it, collecting waste streams and making products.
So we're going to talk about like a small story, and then before that, so again, the guiding principle for us is that we want to help Carol to make the most use of what she already has, like her existing relationship with the local business, and also like make the most use of the waste she's currently collecting, and maybe also help her find other ways to utilize other kinds of waste to produce other goods. So as you can see, this is Carol, and this is the hotel she is partnering. She has partnership with. So it is she wants to actually collect more waste, more other kinds of waste, and so she can maybe help help facilitate local business. So what she do is so she will go to the hotel and come okay, look at what kind of waste this hotel currently has. So maybe in addition to food waste, she's thinking about what kind of waste she can collect. And so she's thinking about maybe in addition to food waste, we can also collect like other like maybe wasted sheets or wasted clothes, and then like plastics and other things. So she actually bring those things to the hotel and so to collect more other kind of waste. And then she like come like ask the hotel to help her sort those waste so she can like better utilize them. So after she collects those waste, she can deliver the waste into like her land, and she can further like sort those waste, and then to think about different ways to utilize those waste. And so like you can see this like example, maybe she can use those waste, like textiles, to create like tote bags. So so she has like a small assemble shop where she can use those like recycled materials to produce tote bags. And then she can later sell those tote bags to the tourists living in this hotel. So it's kind of like we kind of close the loop here. It's like a circular economy. So she utilized the waste produced by the tourists in the hotel and to create a tote bag and sell the tote bags back to the tourists in the hotel. So it's kind of like we're trying to think about ways to help Carol to make the most use for the waste she collects. So that's the story.